Okay. Subject is reinforced concrete structure. Chapter is design of continuous slabs and beams and stairs. Subtopic stairs, classifications of stairs. Stairs, classifications of stairs. On completion of this period, you will be able to know stair, types of stairs, requirement of good stairs, requirement of good stairs, detailing of reinforcements. No doubt. Stairs, definition for the stairs, types of stairs, and requirement of good staircase, a requirement of good staircase, detailing of reinforcement. Detailing of reinforcement. Stairs, types of stairs, requirement of good staircase, detailing of reinforcement. No doubt. Stairs, definition for the stairs. Stairs are designed. Stairs are designed Stairs are designed to provide an easy and quick access. An easy and quick access to the different floors. Stairs are designed to provide an easy and quick access to the different floors. Stairs are designed to provide an easy and quick access to the different floors. What is the definition for the stair? Stairs are designed to provide an easy and quick access to the different floors. Stairs are designed to provide an easy and quick access to the different floors. Staircase. Another definition for the staircase. Now down. A staircase is an enclosure. A staircase is an enclosure which contains the complete stairway. A staircase is an enclosure. A staircase which an enclosure which contains the complete stairway. Which contains the complete stairway. Types of stairs. Types of stairs according to geometry and shape. According to geometry and shape. No doubt. According to geometry and shape. Straight stairs. Straight stairs. Straight stairs. Dog-legged stairs. Dog-legged stairs. Dog-legged stairs. Dog-legged stairs. Dog-legged stairs. Open well stairs. Open well stairs. Open well stairs. Quarter turn stairs. Quarter turn stairs. Quarter turn stairs. Half turn stairs. Just like L shape. Half turn steps. Half turn stairs. Half turn stairs. Half turn stairs. Circular stairs. Circular stairs. Geometrical stairs. Geometrical stairs. No doubt. Bifurcated stairs. Bifurcated stairs. Bifurcated stairs. Draw the sketch. Straight stairs. It is some middle portion. It is a landing. Why? Because why it is landing is provided. Straight stairs height it will be more. It is a strain for the climbers. That is this is straight staircase. Generally, this will provide a railway stairs. Dog-legged staircase. That is first flight, second flight, landing, and mid landing, roof level beam, mid landing provided. This dog-legged stairs. Draw the sketch. Up one flight one. Numbers it will be given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. 13. First flight is 12, and 13 onwards 26 for the second flight. 1 to 13 for the first flight. 13 to 26 for the second flight. Dog-legged stairs. Open well stairs. This is not a open well. Here it is a middle portion. It is a open. This same as a dog-legged. Open well means in between the two flights some opening is there, and that is the open well staircase. Quarter turn stairs. This is quarter turn, just like a L shape. Quarter turn shapes. First flight, second flight. Quarter turn stairs. Generally for the duplex houses, this type of stairs will be provided. In case of open well stairs, that is lift and stairs will be provided. That is the open well stairs. Lift as well as stairs. Sometimes without lift. Half turn stairs, just like open well, 3 flights are provided. This half turn stairs. There is 3 flights will be provided: first flight, second flight, and third flight. Half turn marble. Sometimes it's called also open well also. Open well also like this. circular stairs, circular stairs, geometrical stairs, just like a wine dash. Sometimes this place is restricted, this type of geometrical stairs will be provided. Bifurcated stairs, bifurcated stairs, this is the same in the railway platforms, different platforms are there, bifurcated stairs. Up to your both directions, this direction we will be visited, both directions. Types of stairs continued. According to structural behavior, stairs spanning longitudinally, stairs spanning longitudinally, stairs spanning longitudinally, according to structural behavior. stairs spanning longitudinally, another stairs spanning horizontally. Structural behavior: stairs spanning longitudinally, stairs spanning horizontally. Stairs spanning longitudinally, stairs spanning horizontally. And cantilever stairs. Cantilever stairs. Stairs spanning longitudinally. This only in syllabus is available. Stairs is said to be spanning longitudinally when the inclined stair slab, that is waist slab, together with the landing is supported on walls or beams along the sloping line at the top and bottom of the flight without any support on the sides. That is known as stairs spanning longitudinally. Note down. Stairs is said to be spanning longitudinally. Stairs is said to be spanning longitudinally when the inclined stair slab within the bracket waist slab, stair slab is called, another name is waist slab, together with the landing is supported bracket open on walls or beams along the sloping line. Bracket close, at the top and bottom of the flight. At the top and bottom of the flight without any support on the sides. Is known as stairs spanning longitudinally. Note down. Example, dog-legged stairs. that is 2.5 meters landing width 1 meters, going 2.5 meters, flight width 1.2 meters, 1.2 meters. Draw the sketch. Landing is support on walls. Landings is support on walls. Stay spanning line, draw the cross section. Here a reinforcement detail is a span, that is main reinforcement, 12 mm dia, 5 numbers. Distribution reinforcement 8 mm dia, 200 mm center to center. Another is additional bars, rise and red and flight height of the flight, landing of the stairs spanning longitudinally. The reinforcement detailing is there in your syllabus. You have to draw the reinforcement details. Main reinforcement, that is 12 mm dia, 5 numbers. Distribution reinforcement, 8 mm dia at 200 mm center to center. Another is in the landing at the bottom. Additional bars, same that 12 mm dia, 5 numbers will be provided. Additional bars in the landing at the bottom. Here is thread is equal to 300 mm, generally rise for 160, and waist slab thickness 120 mm, 120 mm waist slab thickness. That is landing slab. Width of the landing is equal to 1500 mm. Draw the sketch, and supporting wall is in the mid landing, 300 mm width, 300 mm width. The landing slab supporting on the walls or beams. Roof level is also sometimes a wall or beams. In this main, one is the main reinforcement, another is the distribution reinforcement, another is the additional bars, another is the waist slab thickness, and rise and tread and width of the landing, and flight height. First flight height, second flight height, total height of the floor. stairs spanning horizontally. These stairs are said spanning horizontally. When the stair slab, waist slab supported on sides by sides, sides and by side walls, or by stringer beam on one side, wall on another side. By a stringer beam on one side and wall on another side. Each step have an independent simply supported beam spanning horizontally. Each step behaves as an independent simply supported beam spanning horizontally. The stair slab or waist slab is supported on sides by side walls or by a stringer beam on one side and wall on other side. Each step behaves as an independent simply supported beam spanning horizontally. Each step behaves as an independent simply supported beam spanning horizontally. Each step behaves as an independent, simply supported beam spanning horizontally. No doubt. Spanning a sketch. Simply supported main reinforcement at the bottom and 6 mm dia 300 distribution, 8 mm dia on each step, that is the main bar, 6 mm dia 300 cm center. Here distribution, here it is a in between the walls are 1.3 meters. Draw the sketch. Types of stairs according to material of construction: timber or wooden stairs, stone stairs, brick stairs, steel stairs, concrete stairs. According to material: timber or wood material, stones are used, stone stairs, brick stairs, steel stairs, concrete stairs. Steel stairs are generally provided in spiral. Components of staircase: this is a vertical portion of the step, riser, rise, rise up. This is the vertical portion of the step. Tread, horizontal upper portion of step. Riser, this is the vertical portion of a step. Vertical portion. Tread, horizontal upper portion of a step. Horizontal upper portion of a step. This is the portion of a stair which is comprised of the tread and riser. Step, rise and tread, both are called step. This is a portion of the stair which is comprised of the tread and riser. Tread and riser is a step. This is the portion of a stair which is comprised of the tread and riser. Tread and riser. Tread, the horizontal upper portion of a step. Rise or riser. This is the vertical portion of a step. Landing. This is the platform provided between the two flights. This is the platform provided between two flights. Rise, tread, step, landing. This is the platform provided between the two flights. This is the width of tread between the two successive risers. Going. This is the width of tread between two successive risers. Flight. It is a series of steps without any platform or landing or break in their direction. This is the series of steps without any platform or landing or break in their direction. That is called flight. Going, this width of the tread between the two successive risers. Two successive risers. Going. Waist. Thickness of RC slab over with steps of RCC rest is known as the waist. Thickness of RCC slab over with steps of RCC rest is known as waist. That is the waist slab. The thickness of RCC slab over with steps of RCC rest is known as waist. Soffit. This is the underside of stairs. This is the underside of the stair. Components of staircase: landing slab, riser beam, way slab, soffit, riser beam, landing slab, width of landing, going, width of landing, rise, tread, steps. Draw the component parts in this section. Landing slab, riser beam, way slab, landing slab, riser beam, width of landing, going, rise, tread, step. Width of residential building 900 minimum, public building 1370 to 1500 mm. Length of flight, number of steps in each flight should be minimum of 3, maximum preferably not more than 12. Minimum 3, maximum preferably not more than 12. Rise of the step in building generally varies from 140 to 200 mm. 140 to 200 mm. Tread steps in building generally varies from 225 mm to 300 mm. 225 mm to 300 mm. Tread are going plus 2 rise. 600 to 640. Tread are going plus 2 rises. 600 to 640 mm. Tread and rise. Tread plus rise. Usual size of the steps. Location: stairs should be centrally location, preferably ventilated. Stairs should be centrally location, preferably ventilated. Material: fire resisting material should be used. Process for design of stairs not there in your syllabus. Design in slab spanning horizontally. Horizontal spanning is not there in your syllabus.